Assalamualaikum dear students, welcome back to my YouTube channel. As you know that we have started chapter 3, that is about movement in and out of the cell. We started the topic diffusion. Here is the third lecture about the diffusion, in which we study the rate of diffusion. So let's begin the video. The speed of diffusion depends upon mainly four main factors, that is about surface area, temperature, concentration gradient and distance. Surface area means that the area in which the diffusions occur, and the temperature, and the concentration gradient mean the concentration inside and the outside, or basically the difference between the concentrations of the two solutions, and the distance it is diffusing. So let's begin the video from the first, that is about the surface area. Greater the surface area mean faster diffusion. Cells involved in absorption, like in the intestine and kidney, have tiny projections called microvilli. These increases the surface area and make diffusion faster. The shape of the cell also affect the diffusion. For example, the two pictures that here, the diagram A and the figure B, you can see that the A figure has more surface area, so diffusion take place quickly in it, and in the B figure the surface area is lower. Volume is same but surface area is lesser, so the diffusion is not too quickly than figure A. Now we discuss the second point, that is about the temperature. When the temperature increases, molecules gain more kinetic energy. They move faster and they diffuse faster. So diffusion become faster. That's why dye color spreads faster in hot water than in cold water. Now the third point is concentration gradient. The bigger the difference between the concentration, the faster the diffusion is. In red blood cells, oxygen combines with hemoglobin. This keeps oxygen concentration low inside the cells and maintain a steep concentration gradient. Concentration gradient means the difference between the two concentrations, two areas where the diffusion take place. Now here is the fourth point, that is the distance. The thicker the membrane or wall, the slower the diffusion. Oxygen must pass through the several layers in the lungs before entering red blood cells. The long distance slow down diffusion. So here are the some factors on which the rate of diffusion depends. Let's summarize today's lesson about the diffusion. Diffusion is the movement of particles from high concentration to low concentration without using energy. It is important for respiration, photosynthesis, absorption, and excretion. The rate of diffusion depends upon surface area, temperature, concentration gradient, and distance. So students, this was our complete lessons on diffusion from chapter 3, movement into and out of cells. If you understood this lecture series, don't forget to like this video and share it with your friends. Subscribe to the channel for more biology lectures and press the bell icon so you don't miss any new video. In the next lecture, we will discuss osmosis. Till then, take care, keep studying. Allah Hafiz.